The 2003 Sonoma. Those in the market for a cost-effective midsize pickup should be able to find a variation on the GMC Sonoma to serve their needs. A quietly handsome appearance, healthy V6 torque, and a myriad of options all argue in the Sonoma's favor. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, fog lights, CD player, power windows, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.